If you want to cancel your Pinterest free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you do it correctly and avoid any unwanted charges. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Pinterest website or open the Pinterest app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or the account icon. Look for the settings option in the drop-down menu and select it to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to billing information. In the settings menu, find the section labeled billing or payment. Click on it to view your current subscription status and payment details. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Look for the option to cancel your subscription or free trial. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any information regarding the cancellation policy. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, check your email for a confirmation message from Pinterest. This will ensure that your cancellation has been processed successfully. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Pinterest free trial and avoid any future charges. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Pinterest support for assistance.